This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Brewer Group's Impact Investor Conference in Minneapolis 2015. With me is Mr. Robert Brooke, Stevia First Corporation, symbol STVF. It's a publicly traded company. Welcome to SNNLive.
Thanks for having me, Shelley.
I should say welcome back to SNNLive.
Right.
So let's get an overview on Stevia First.
Beautiful. Okay, so Stevia First is an ag biotech company located in California and really answering the global demand for stevia. Now, stevia is a zero-calorie, high-potency natural sweetener that is the major beverage companies' answer for this public health backlash against sugar and sugar-loaded beverages in particular.
Now, besides being Stevia First, are you the only?
Right. Well, stevia now has become a very mainstream natural high-potency sweetener that's seen by many as really the future of the sweetener industry. And so there are dozens of companies that are introducing stevia products, and there are hundreds of new products being launched each year, like Vitamin Water Zero. That's a product from Coca-Cola that did over $100 million in sales in its first year, and Coke's a company that spends about $6 billion a year on sweeteners alone. So we're a company that is working to provide companies like Coke, Pepsi, Dr. Pepper, Cargill, and others with this critical ingredient, and we're doing that through using a novel bioprocess that we developed there that enables you to achieve 2 or 3 times as much stevia, higher yield per acre of stevia leaf.
So where are you positioned in terms of getting a big client, being able to deliver?
Right. So we're a 3-year-old company, so a relatively early stage company that has come to answer this demand from the big companies that they need 3 to 5-fold larger global output. And so when the large companies have come to us, looking for this technology to enable that type of change that enable them to reinvest in this market, and we continue to inch closer to those multi-year supply agreements or those strategic partnerships that really would transform the profile of our company.
So why are you at the Impact Conference?
Right. So I'm here at the Impact Conference, Impact Investor Conference here in Minneapolis with the Jack Brewer Group to announce a Start with Stevia initiative. This is an initiative to promote sugar reduction and broadly, but in particular, through the sports world. And Jack is a former NFL player for the Vikings and the Giants and other teams, and we're building a coalition of athletes and team executives who are on board with sugar reduction, and ultimately looking to kind of end to some degree the relationship of the sports world with sugar and sugar-loaded beverages.
So what's your background and how did you get into such a sweet deal?
Right. Yeah. So, I'm a bioengineer by training, and I spent about 5 years in finance with a hedge fund that was the most active investor in publicly traded biotech companies. Since then, I launched a cancer drug development company that has become Lion Biotechnologies, a several $100 million market cap company listed on NASDAQ. And now I co-founded Stevia First about 3 years ago, and we're about a $20 million market cap company.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get a website out there for more information.
It's steviafirst.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Robert Brooke from Stevia First Corporation, that's STEVIA, publicly traded company, the symbol is STVF. I'm Shelley Kraft, this is SNNLive, and we're coming to you live from the Brewer Group's Impact Investor Conference in Minneapolis 2015. Robert, let me thank you for coming on to SNNLive.
Yeah, thank you, Shelley.
Good.